Hello, students. Welcome to e-classroom of English. This is Harpreet Kaur with our grammar classroom of English. And our today's topic is phrases and clauses. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the first part, that is phrases. So, let us see the definition. What are phrases? They are the group of words without a verb or a subject, object, or predicate. Hence, those sentences, or you can say those group of words, not sentences, the group of words without a verb, without a subject, without object or predicate, means they will not be having these parts. ये सारे parts उसमें नहीं होंगे, and therefore it will not make a complete sense. उसका अपना पूरा complete meaning नहीं होगा. It will be incomplete in itself. उसका कोई पूरा मीनिंग नहीं होगा. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से ऑन द टेबल, सो वॉट इज ऑन द टेबल यू डोंट नो. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू. ऑन द टेबल मीन्स टेबल पर, बट वॉट इज देयर ऑन द टेबल यू डोंट नो. इन द गार्डन, what about the garden? In the garden there are trees. In the garden students are playing and xyz many conditions can happen. You don't know what is in the garden or what we have to tell about the garden. Of great beauty, who is of great beauty? You don't know. So hence these type of examples, like on the table, yeah, in the bag, yeah, inside the room, yeah, in the almirah, of great beauty, and so and so and so, they are phrases, as they do not have complete sense because they don't have their own verb, subject, object or predicate. So hope you are clear with the basic meaning of the word phrase. So now let us move further and see the kinds of phrases. So there are three kinds discussed here in this video: noun phrase, adjective phrase and adverb phrase. So let us see them one by one in detail. What is a noun phrase? Obviously, girls, you know what are nouns? Yes, the naming words. Okay, so noun phrase are that same type only, but in phrase we are using the group of words. Single word nahi hoga. There will be a group of words. So that group of words which work as a noun in the sentence, जो एक sentence में noun का काम करेगा, noun की तरह काम करेगा, that will be a noun phrase. Say for example, we enjoyed. Now what group of words is telling you what we enjoyed? Dancing in rain. So hence this group of word dancing in rain, here it is acting as a noun. वो एक noun की तरह काम कर रहा है, but it is not a single word. You cannot call it as a noun. So hence it is a noun phrase. Similarly, the second example, I tried. What I tried? इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब क्या दे रहा है, कौन दे रहा है आपको? What I tried? Yes, I tried to solve that sum. So to solve that sum is answering to your question of what. कि आपने क्या किया है. It is acting as a noun. Because it is a group of words, so we will not call it as noun. We will say it's a noun phrase. So hope it is clear that those group of words which act as a noun in the sentence are called as noun phrase. Now let us move forward towards next phrase, that is adjective phrase. A group of words that work as an adjective in the sentence. Okay? Word ho, not a single word, but it will be a group of words. They will work as an adjective. How? Let us see. But before that, we must know that it can be placed before a noun or a pronoun. वो noun से पहले या pronoun से पहले place किया जा सकता है sentence में. Now let us differentiate. How we can differentiate an adjective phrase. An adjective, as I told you, would be a single word describing the noun or a pronoun. एक single word किसी noun और pronoun को जब describe करता है, that is adjective. Let us see how. A wooden table. अब table किस चीज़ का है? Which word is telling you the quality of that table? Wooden. So wooden is an adjective because it's a single word. But if I use the same sentence and if I say a table made of wood, वो table जो wood से बना हुआ है. So made of wood. Now that single word wooden is divided into three words made of wood. Hence it has become a phrase now, and that too an adjective phrase. Okay? Now let us see similar kind of one more example. All your confusions will be clear. A square box. Box कैसा है? Which word is telling you? The quality. Yes, square. Hence square is an adjective. But if I divide that same single word into three parts, like of round shape, a box of round shape. So of round shape. Now three words are describing that. Okay, so now it is not an adjective but an adjective phrase. So hope it's clear that a group of words that works as an adjective in a sentence, they are called as adjective phrase. Now let us see the next kind, girls. Adverb phrase. A group of words that works as an adverb in the sentence. That's an adverb clause. What are adverbs? Yes, the words that describes a verb or an adjective or another adverb in the sentence, they are adverbs. So similarly, the group of words, अब यहाँ पे single word नहीं होगा as it is a phrase. जब adverb की बात हम कर रहे थे तो that would be a single word, but now it's a phrase, so that will be a group of words. How? Let us see the difference between them, adverb and adverb phrase. He works efficiently. Work तो कर रही है, but how she is working efficiently. So efficiently it's a single word, so it's an adverb, not a group of words, so it's an adverb. But अगर यही group of words होता, how? He works in an efficient manner. कैसे काम किया? Efficient manner में. So in an efficient manner is a group of words which describes the verb works. जो verb है हमारा इस sentence में works, उसको कौन सा group of word describe कर रहा है, कैसा काम किया है? In an efficient manner. Hence it is an adverb phrase. Now let us see one more example. I search it. मैंने search किया, but कहाँ कहाँ search किया? Everywhere. So everywhere is a single word that is describing the searching verb. सर्च होने वाला वर्ब जो है उसको कौन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, मॉडिफाई कर रहा है? एवरीवेयर. हेंस इट इज एन एडवर्ब. बट एवरीवेयर के बदले इफ आई से एट ऑल प्लेसेस, नाउ सिंगल वर्ड एवरीवेयर इज डिवाइडेड एट ऑल प्लेसेस, 3 वर्ड्स में डिवाइड हो गया. हेंस इट्स अ फ्रेज एंड दैट टू एन एडवर्ब फ्रेज बिकॉज इट इज टेलिंग यू द प्लेस ऑफ द एक्शन, कि एक्शन हुआ है बट कहाँ हुआ है? At all places. So hope it's clear that a group of words that work as an adverb in the sentence, it is an adverb clause. So hope you are clear with the phrases, its meaning. And girls, in our next video, we are going to learn about clause and its kind. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye-bye.